I wanted to go over some of the items that you'll see. For example, that picture there, I got that at Ross last year. It was 49 cents. Now, when I went to put the battery in, I actually broke the wire, so now it doesn't light up. But at 49 cents, who cares? So I switched out the picture and the candelabras that were here. And I also then took out all my trees because I wanted to decide which tree to use. And you'll see at the end what I end up with. I also didn't have any garland. I didn't have any beads to swag anything with, only because I ran out of time and I know what I'm looking for. So when I find it, I'll add it to the mantle. But I also didn't have any garland. So I took some Dollar Tree garland and use that as a backdrop for some fresh pine needles. I just went out in the yard and cut them, and I think it looks so cute. I love the natural look and feel, and I like free. You can't beat free. The center tree comes from Ross. It was about $7, and the two red candle trees came from Home Goods, and those were about $4 or so. And all of the other trees I've already had, and those batteries I got from Home Goods. It was a set, I think, of 7 for $19.99. Thank you to Jessica at Measure and Mix and Antoinette at Simple Yet Chic for a fun challenge. My mantle is probably going to evolve because I didn't have any garland. I didn't have any stockings, so I'm sure it's going to evolve by the time Christmas actually gets here. But this is a little sneak peek at the color scheme and the feel that we're going for. I do have small grandchildren, so I like to make it a very relaxed atmosphere so that I'm not really afraid that anything's going to get broken or that the baby won't enjoy it. Okay, so now that I've done this, I'm going to keep going full speed ahead with Christmas. I'll bring you along. Enjoy all of the participants of the DIY Christmas Mantle Challenge today and have a great weekend.